tips and tricks to identify the group and the period. So the basic things first we will understand. There are 7 periods and 18 groups. So the long form of periodic table can be divided into 4 blocks on the basis of where the last electron enters. If the last electron entered in S subshell, then that element belongs to S block element. If it enters in P subshell, then it belongs to P block element. And if the electron enters in D, that means it belongs to D block element. And if the electron enters in F, then it belongs to F block element. Now, there are some tips and tricks to find the period and the group. First you have to write an electronic configuration, then you find the period number and the group number. So to find the period number, you should find the maximum value of n, that is the principal quantum number. Okay. Then to find the group number, as we have divided the long form of the periodic table into S, P, D and F, so on the basis of that you have to calculate the group number. So if the electron enters in S block element, how to find a group number? That means the number of electron in the last subshell, okay, is equal to the group number. And if you want to calculate the P block element group number, okay, the P block element, so what you have to do, number of electron in NS plus NP plus 10, okay. And if it is a D block element, how will you find? Number of electron in NS plus number of electron in N minus 1 D subshell. Using this formula you will get the group number. Now if it is a F block element, okay, either it be in 6th period or 7th period, and not only that, all the F block elements lies in 3rd group. What does it mean? Here, like you can see here, the lanthanum series, okay, lanthanide series starts from after lanthanum, okay, so after 57, that means from atomic number 58 to 71, that is the lanthanide series. Then actinide series starts after 89, that means between atomic number 90 to 103, okay. So either they are belong to the 6th period or 7th period. So both this series belongs to which group? Common group, that is group number 3, okay. Now if the electrons enter in 4f or subshell, okay, then it belongs to 6th period, and if the electron enters in 5f subshell, then it belongs to the 7th period. Moving ahead, let's solve some example based on what we have studied. For example, an element is having an atomic number 11, find the period and the group. So first thing that you have to do is to write the electronic configuration. So the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So to find a period, let's see what is the period. Just now we studied the maximum value of n. So here the maximum value of n is 3, okay, so it belongs to which period? 3rd period. Now as the last electron enter in 3s, that means in S subshell, okay, 3s subshell, this is the outermost subshell. So in order to find, that means it belongs to S block. So in order to find the number of electron in S block, we just have to find the number of electron present in the S subshell here. So here it is 1. So the number of electron in NS is 1. So the group number is 1. Moving ahead with question number 2, element with atomic number 15, find the group and the period. First you have to write an electronic configuration, that means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So the maximum value of n here is also 3. So it belongs to which period? 3rd period. Now I am saying that it belongs to the P block element. Why P block? Because the last electron enters in P subshell. So in order to find the group number, so number of electron in NS plus NP plus 10. Now this NS and NP means the last shell, okay, the last shell in which the electron, so in the last shell there are two orbitals are there, n that is s and p. So here ns has how many electrons? 2, and p has how many electrons? 3 plus 10. So 2 plus 3 plus 10 gives you 15. So it belongs to which group? Group number 15. Now question number 3. General electronic configuration is given as n minus 1 d2 ns2 and n is equal to 3. State the group number and the period. As n is equal to 3, so it belongs to which period? Third period. Okay, so this is, we have got a general idea. So group, now it belongs to d block element. Okay, so d block, how I identify? Because n minus 1 d2, so that means the last electron enters in d block element. So d block element if is there, how will I identify the group number? So d block element is, d block is equal to number of electron in ns plus number of electron in n minus 1 d. So number of electron in ns is 2 and n minus 1 d is 2. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4. So which group it belongs to? It is belong to group number 4. Now the last but not the least, question number 4, electronic configuration is n minus 2 f7 n minus 1 d1 ns2 and n is equal to 6. Tell the group number and the period. As n is equal to 6, that means it belongs to which period? It belongs to 6. Okay, the principal number given is already given, so that means n is equal to 6, that means it belongs to 6 period. Now what is the group number? As we have already told, all the f block elements belongs to which group? Group number